Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. Welcome to our troubleshooting guide for DTC U0146, which indicates a PF can A and PD can B malfunction. This error specifically pertains to the Powertrain Control Module, or PCM, and its communication with the CAN Controller Area Network Gateway. The CAN gateway serves as an essential intermediary, facilitating communication between various electronic control units within the vehicle. This malfunction can hinder important functions, resulting in potential limitations in performance. Our focus today will be geared toward diagnosing and resolving this issue in your Honda Accord 2023 model and beyond. We'll explore detailed steps required to identify the root cause and provide effective solutions to restore normal functionality. DTC U0146 signifies a malfunction between the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, and the CAN gateway, which plays a crucial role in vehicle communication. The PCM is responsible for managing engine and transmission operations, ensuring optimal vehicle performance. Situated typically near the engine compartment, the PCM receives data from various sensors and components to make real-time adjustments. The CAN gateway, located in the vehicle's electrical system, is essential for relaying information through two specific lines, PF can A and PD can B. When the PCM fails to receive valid signals from the gateway due to potential failures or disruptions in these lines, it stores the DTC as it considers this an abnormality, essentially ensuring the integrity of both the power and ground circuits for the CAN gateway is vital before delving further into diagnostics. This kind of error could hinder crucial vehicle operations and compromise overall safety. Several factors might lead to the storage of DTC U0146 in your Honda Accord. Firstly, network communication failures between the PCM and the CAN gateway can occur due to various reasons, preventing proper signal transmission. Another common cause is issues within the power and ground circuits supplying the CAN gateway. If either of these circuits fails, it won't provide the necessary electrical supply for proper operation, leading to stored DTCs. Additionally, a faulty CAN gateway itself cannot be ruled out, as it may not send valid data to the PCM, even if the circuits are intact. Each potential issue serves as a critical checkpoint, and understanding them will aid in the efficient troubleshooting process. Reference to the vehicle's schematic might reveal further insights into specific connections and potential issues within the system. When experiencing an issue related to DTC U0146, drivers might notice several distinct symptoms. One of the most common indications is the presence of warning lights illuminating the dashboard, particularly related to the vehicle's engine and transmission systems. Additionally, drivers may experience poor vehicle performance, including diminished acceleration, irregular shifting, or noticeable hesitation during operation. Another critical symptom is an inability of the vehicle's various electronic modules to communicate effectively, leading to further complications throughout the vehicle's systems. These symptoms not only indicate an underlying problem, but could also escalate if left unaddressed, potentially compromising vehicular safety and reliability. Therefore, it's recommended to address these symptoms promptly and consult the troubleshooting steps outlined here. The initial troubleshooting step for DTC U0146 involves ensuring that the vehicle is set to the on mode. This mode allows the electrical systems, including the PCM and CAN gateway, to activate their functions and prepare for diagnostic procedures. By waiting for a period of 6 seconds, you give sufficient time for the systems to stabilize and begin communicating properly. This waiting period is essential because it allows for any self-tests the modules might perform to complete, ensuring that you receive accurate readings when proceeding with further diagnostics. If the DTC persists after this initial step, it indicates that the issue is not a temporary communication failure, but could be a more systemic problem requiring further investigation. Remember that this initial setup step is pivotal for effective troubleshooting. In the second troubleshooting step, focus shifts to assessing the power and ground circuits of the CAN gateway. Checking these circuits is crucial, as any failure in the power supply can lead to the gateway not functioning correctly. Begin by examining the main battery connections to ensure they are clean and secure. Corroded or loose battery connections can often lead to intermittent electrical issues and may cause the CAN gateway to not receive adequate power. After confirming clean connections, trace through the wiring leading to the CAN gateway, looking for signs of damaged insulation, fraying, or wear. A multimeter can be beneficial here to test for continuity in the wires and confirm that power is reaching the gateway as expected. This step forms the foundation for resolving the communication error tied to DTC U0146. The third step focuses on directly inspecting the CAN gateway itself. Since the gateway serves as a communication hub, any physical damage or faulty components can lead to malfunctions that trigger DTC U0146. Start by visually inspecting the gateway for any apparent signs of damage, such as cracks or burn marks, that could indicate overheating or a short circuit. A thorough examination should also include checking the quality of all connection pins, as corrosion or bending could impede the signal transfer. If applicable, disconnect the gateway from its mounting and inspect the wiring harness for secure connections. Verifying that there are no obstructions or foreign materials near the gateway can prevent potential future issues. If any deficiencies are found, appropriate repairs or replacement might be necessary to ensure proper system communication. The final step in the troubleshooting process involves verifying the repairs made regarding DTC U0146. Use the HDS, Honda Diagnostic System, to clear the diagnostic trouble code from the vehicle's memory. This action removes the error indication and allows you to monitor if it reappears. Following the clearing process, it's crucial to conduct a test drive under various conditions to ensure that the PCM and CAN gateway are communicating effectively without triggering the DTC again. Monitor the dashboard for any warning lights and stay attentive to any performance issues. If the DTC does not reappear, it indicates that the corrective steps taken were effective and the problem has been resolved. This process ensures the reliability of both communication lines and overall vehicle functionality. Preventive maintenance is key in avoiding future occurrences of DTC U0146 in your Honda Accord. Regular system checks can proactively identify any potential issues within the vehicle's communication network before they escalate. This includes routine inspections of all electrical connections, particularly those leading to essential components like the PCM and CAN gateway. Keeping connections clean and free from corrosion will significantly enhance the reliability of electronic functions. Additionally, schedule periodic diagnostic scans to catch any anomalies early in their development. This proactive approach not only helps in maintaining peak performance, but also enhances the longevity of vehicle systems. Following these preventive measures can save considerable time and money in the long run. In conclusion, understanding DTC U0146 and its implications is essential for Honda Accord owners. This diagnostic trouble code signals a malfunction in the communication between the PCM and the CAN gateway, potentially affecting vehicle performance. Following a systematic troubleshooting approach, checking power and ground circuits, inspecting the CAN gateway, and verifying repairs enables effective identification and resolution of the problem. Additionally, regular maintenance practices should be adopted to prevent future occurrences of similar issues. Always remember to consult the Honda Service Manual for specific details related to your vehicle model. Addressing these concerns in a timely manner not only ensures the continuous operation of your vehicle, but also enhances your safety on the road. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.